Lateef Adédìméjì lórúkọ mi. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nílé lóko lájò. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ ni mo mú wá fún yín, ṣé mo bó ṣe ń lọ. Red TV ni mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ àti ní oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan aládùn tí à ń gbébọ̀ lórí YouTube channel wa tó jẹ́ pé tẹ́ ẹ bá ń rí wọn ẹ̀yin náà máa dunnú pé nǹkan tí mo subscribe fún yìí nǹkan gidi ni. Kí ló ń dúró ṣe? Ó yá gbéra lọ subscribe sí YouTube channel wa kó dẹ̀ turn post notification ẹ̀ on nítorí pé kí ni àwọn aládùn ó ń bọ̀ lórí YouTube bọ̀rọ̀ kìíní tẹ̀ ń wò ó ń bọ̀ lórí YouTube pẹ̀lú àwọn ìdárayá gidi ó ń bọ̀ lórí YouTube. Má gọra ẹ o, èmi Lateef Adédìméjì, I am a part of this ni mo ṣe ń sọ fún yín wípé go and subscribe now and put on your notification kẹ́ ẹ lè mọ̀ tá a bá ti post àwọn ohun mèremère míì. Kí ló ń dúró ṣe? Gbéra kó lọ subscribe kó dẹ̀ turn post notification ẹ̀ ìyanu máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Bless you.
I can't sleep, I can't think, I can't do anything on my own. I can't breathe, I can't sleep, I can't do anything on my own.
My tale is crude and violent. I never knew my bird would someday sing this violent song. Who dances to a violent song or a violent rhythm? Maybe those who sit afar judging inexperienced situations. I never knew this would ruin my life this way.
A mountain of favorite songs.
So I was thinking.
Don't touch me. I've always told you I'm not comfortable with it.
I feel like this radio boo, radio sweetheart thing should get to a better level.
Excuse me? Osh. You're allowing it to get into your head. Wake up, dreamer. All right, people. That was a lovely song from Copy titled Abena. All right, I hate to say goodbye, but on this note, it's goodbye. So thanks for tuning in to today's show. I remain your radio duchess, Aminat, and together with my radio boyfriend, Blaze, will set everywhere ablaze. It's goodbye for now.
Anyway, like we always say, stay out of trouble and be cool. Remember, this is your number one entertainment radio station, 92.9 IB City's finest. Be good.
Yeah, be good. So we'll leave you in the hands of Dagrin with this one titled Ghetto Dreams. Goodbye.
Yeah. Let me tell you something about my life real quick.
Deep freeze around the lakes. Sometimes when I sleep and I'm dreaming, man, I just don't wanna wake up. I realize that I'm married to the game, and me and my bitch never break up. I put it down for the ghetto.
I have told you before now that the songs you play are inappropriate. Our show preaches about love, but you play songs that talk about hate. Why?
What's your problem? Those are the songs I like.
You tend to forget that this is not your show.
Not your business. You know what? Whatever.
Turn her on.
This is our 97.9 FM, Ibadan.
I can't sleep, I can't think, I can't do anything on my own. I can't breathe, I can't sleep, I can't do anything on my own. Onikiwa mowa, onikila mola, onikiwa mowa, onikila mola, onikisha utofe, modete sha utofe. How else can I love you more?
You know that my baby we do Duchess now. Why they do like this? I mean that now.
Oh, that be me, Abi.
Come on here. Mini. Ah! Now this should be passing. Where's my machine? Ah, see my radio Duchess.
Don't worry, I'll give you 5.
Aminat! Mini! Baby! I've been calling you from there now. You didn't hear me.
So sorry, I really didn't hear you call. I would have responded, but have we met?
Well, no. Well, let's just say, I've met your voice. Baby, I've heard you on radio. Combined with your beauty. You look so many.
Thank you.
I've seen a few of your pictures. I'm a fan.
Thank you very much.
I'm a fan. I'm a great fan.
You said that
Yes.
Thank
Hey,
you.
you know, I particularly like you because I'm guessing we share the same mentality. Understand?
The same mentality. By same mentality, you mean?
Mini, I've heard your voice now. I know you're angry about something. I can feel it.
Excuse me, please, I don't get you.
Mini, confide in me. I hate guys too, you know. You hate.
Excuse me.
Mini, baby, don't go now. You know, ladies, some of us, we can be friends too, like a guy and a girl, you know, running things, some of us.
Please, if you don't mind, I'm just returning from work. I am tired. I am super tired. If you don't mind, I'd like to leave.
Mini, leaving without giving daddy a hug.
Excuse me.
Baby, come in, daddy. Already. Mini, radio Duchess, babe, I will get you.
Calm down. Calm down. You're supposed to be. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Sorry, you'll be fine. Everything will be alright, okay? Calm down, okay? Feeling forever. Are you sorry?
What is this? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you insane? Is this how your mother feeds your father?
Daddy, please.
Will you shut up and get back? What is this? Oh, yeah. What is this? Are you mad? Are you mad? See all my clothes now. Feel it. Are you crazy? Are you mad? And you? Now, go and find something to come and clean this thing now. With immediate alacrity. Move fast! Come on, get out for me. Follow your mother!
Why Daddy always busy every day?
No, my dear. Don't worry about that. Mommy is going to be very fine, okay?
Mom, why don't you run away?
I can't run away because of you. If I run away, who is going to take care of you? Look at me. I'm not crying. Don't cry, okay?
You have caused me so much pain, so much pain.
Come here.
Please. I am not in the mood for this.
Mood for what? Mood for what? Are you not my wife? And I have the right to have you anytime or wherever I want. Sleep and undress.
I beg of you. I am on my period.
Oh, beautiful. Just the way I like it. Undress.
Can you please leave me alone? Now I am begging. Please leave me alone, I beg of you. Oh, my body hurts from the beatings you gave me, house. But can you leave me alone? Leave me alone!
Did you shut up?
Why did I shout at you? Do you want to kill me?
Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
See, if you move closer, I will use you to flog your mother.
Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Mommy.
What?
Mama mi níbololo níbolowa o. Ṣebí nítorí ọmọ ni abiyamọ lọ ìkànnì yìí o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá o. Ó dìgbà ó ṣe. Where do I start from? No companion, nobody to rely on. Now I feel rejected and unloved.
saw him scaring somebody.
Becky.
Get out.
Stop all this now. Can't you just be caring for once? It's me, please. It's just like me. Sorry now.
Please, I'm sleeping.
Becky, just stop it. It's not funny. Sorry. It should all be well, okay?
That's how she died. That's how I lost my mother. And then he said we should keep it within the family. So we just told people it's an accident. We told them it was an accident. So you mean your father killed his wife? Yes, he did.
I hate to hear tales like this. But what nonsense rights do some of these men think they have? Oh, so because you're married to someone, you think you have the right to beat them black and blue? Some of these men, they need to be given the beating of their lives.
I keep saying it. If you're in a negative relationship, leave. Leave. You don't have to wait until you are married to the person.
Or before they even break somebody's head.
You know, the funny thing is, my mom said he used to pretend so much to love her. And then one day she got pregnant. She went to his house and she told him the news, and she immediately saw an animal. I mean, he even accused her of trying to tie him down with the pregnancy.
Who does that?
See?
Do such a thing.
Your father doesn't have a brain. He doesn't have a brain.
Becky.
When he knew he could not bear the consequence, I don't understand why didn't he get a chain or a rope to tie those things dangling between his thighs. No sense.
Becky, please. Please. Amina, stop crying.
No crying.
Stop crying. Stop. See, Amina, this your story is really tragic and painful. Believe me. Trust me, okay? Believe me. But you need to liven up, okay? Do you get me? And in order for you to forget all these bad memories, you need to loosen up.
See,
No,
are you listening to me?
No.
Aminat, you have a fine body, a very beautiful girl. Go out there. You'll meet so many people. Break hearts.
Becky.
Break hearts.
Becky.
Stop dulling yourself here and be crying.
Don't mind her. All she's just trying to say is that go out more, meet people. Do you understand?
You don't have to be with one particular person. Date people. Break hearts. Make them cry. I mean, your mom died. Revenge her death now. See, want yourself.
Don't mention my mother again.
Yeah.
Aminat, you see what you've got.
Hey.
Aminat!
Aminat! Where do I start from? No companion, nobody to rely on. Now I feel rejected.
Okay guys, welcome back to the show. This is the biggest show right here in IBC. They're talking about Sighted Gist, and you're hanging out with your favourite host, Blade, as well with the radio Duchess, Amina. And this is your #1 entertainment radio station, 92.9 from the heart of IB City. Anyway, we're talking about domestic violence. What's your take on domestic violence, by the way?
Thanks to all our beautiful listeners for listening to the show so far. So you can still call in and join the conversation. Call on either of the numbers 0907-151-2929 or 0909-529236. Or you could join the conversation on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter at Society Gist. Ho, we've got a caller.
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Hello?
And where are you calling from?
Yes, my name is Chris. Good evening. I'm calling from Bere. See, everyone knows that all women nag. I mean, I'm an actor. And when told to act the part of a man with a nagging wife, I am able to give improvised speeches and actions because I'm used to it. Come on. We all know how women behave in our
Chris,
society.
so are you saying that there's a justification to domestic violence for every woman out there who nags?
Of course. Some just want to tempt you into beating them up. And why do you blame us for falling for the temptation? The
Chris,
truth is,
I
have
disagree with
realized that some of them
Not
actually
all
enjoy
women
it.
nag.
Yes.
And then, by the way, no matter how a woman behaves, you have no right to beat her. So you're telling me that a man who does not drop money for his wife at home and then gets home to expect food is reacting to a nagging wife? And you're saying that a man who rapes his wife is raping her because she nags? Any man who thinks that all women nag is a fool. You must be stupid to even think that.
Okay. All right. Chris, thanks for calling. We really appreciate your contribution on this topic. But let's not forget, however, that domestic violence plays in two parties. Men these days, they suffer from domestic violence as well. You know that, Chris?
True. But you see, women have issues. And you better warn that one in your studio right now. You better warn her. Okay, what of ladies that seize their husband's car keys, knowing fully well that they are late for work? They should pamper them, By the time they slap their faces, those keys will drop from their hands
Chris,
with immediate effect.
Really
What you say to that one?
Okay?
We should pamper them,
I have to say this real quick, that in topics about domestic violence, men are really not proud to the fact that they beat their women. But let's not forget the fact that women as well can act possessed most times. You know what, guys? Just stay with us. We're going to quick commercial break.
This is what I know. How can I change? How can I love you more?
Let me show you.
Calm down.
So, what party are we going for? I'm talking to you girls. What party are we going for?
As in what party?
Wait, I don't get. Is there no party today, or aren't you girls going clubbing?
You mean you want to come with,
You know what?
us?
Just meet me outside. I'll be waiting.
You are going with us?
She's not joking.
Hey, your roommate has gone mad again. Hey, please, let's go. First change our mind.
Hey, this is a miracle.
Come back to the room.
Wait, help me carry my bag now.
LMO.
Wavy oh.
Baba no go die fi tó bá darúgbó, baby mi ò rẹ̀ jọ. Ó dẹ̀ lè pè mí lórúkọ kò fà mí nírùngbọ̀n yẹn. Ọmọ àlìjà, oh baby, wáyọ̀má. Oh yeah, baby, you're the beauty of a goddess. Only you play with my conscience. Just say me girl, baby, show down. Baby, you're the beauty of a goddess. Only you mess with my conscience. But you see me girl, baby, show down.
Oh, there's food in that house.
Hey, handsome.
Why are you making his head swell? You know me, I will tell you the truth. I know that. And it's
Please shut up, Bifa.
It's only God that will settle your quarrel. Anyway, where's our friend now?
Yeah, that's true.
We had a quarrel
Again.
See, ladies, I love Aminat so much.
I can bet that with
But
my life.
it seems like... Okay, see, just about the time when this relationship is going so fruity and rosy, that beast in her just spurs. Yes, sometimes, of course, when a man likes his woman, he wants to get down with her, but
So, wait. All this English because of sex.
Because of sex, oh.
Yeah?
See, I'm serious. I'm serious.
Yeah, sorry now.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You know what? I know. I mean, that's very complicated, but don't worry. We'll talk to her.
Yes, we'll talk to her.
We'll calm down. We'll talk to her.
I'd appreciate if you do.
We will.
Thank you very much, ladies. I really have to run.
Bye.
Bye.
Spur.
Yeah.
Spur. Okay, Spurs. No
Spurs.
Spurs.
Hey, pretty ladies! But you're not as fine as my mini.
You again?
Yeah. Is the radio duchess in?
Which radio
Tell her
duchess?
that our Omobola is around.
What do you want?
The radio duchess now, my
Oga.
mini.
Abishana babe said. You need to stop stalking Aminat or else we'll break your head.
What is it? What is it, Steph? What is your own? Tell the people that sent you that Aminat is a mission that cannot be accomplished.
Please, you need to do that. Besides, she's going through a lot. She has enough problems already and you are the least of her problems.
I don't even understand.
Stalker.
I don't know. Now man, they stalk woman. It's in be your own.
Hey, I'm just a fan, man. Mini!
Are you still
No, Mini, call my Mini out now. Mini! Alright, just tell her I came by, alright? Mini!
You said you want me. You said you need me. Why you can't they treat me bad?
And I'll say it over and over again until you believe.
But I believe.
You don't act like you do, Aminat. You don't.
How else do you want me to do?
Okay, how do you explain the fact that I always have to beg you to be affectionate? I even call myself lucky you are doing this with me today.
Really?
Yes, is that bad?
It's not that bad.
Have you ever kissed me at will? Come on, is that a bribe? Okay, come on. Let me do it. Season 2. Are you ready? We have to ring bells now.
Lover.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Mini.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay.
Just make sure you flaunt your bubble. Yep. I mean, so that some girls will know where you stand.
Abio, as in, you get now.
I don't get
very well. Oh, you go for your female. Going like that without giving daddy a hug.
Wait, is there something I'm missing?
No,
What's happening?
It's between us.
Yeah.
You girls are sick.
Not as sick as yet.
Going like that.
See, now Sabi, you better brush off to class before. Hey, don't try it. Don't.
I don't understand.
I'm just going to. It's fine. God. How do I deal with these girls?
These girls are a bunch of cases.
I don't know.
They've told you to hold me tight. So shall we?
Holding tight. Am I holding it tight?
So back to where we stopped.
Where did we stop?
Right here. Hey, what's this now? What's all this now? I mean, each time I try to move close, you just push me aside like a piece of shit. What's all this about? If you don't love me, tell me. Stop all this game you're playing. Please.
I'm really, really sorry, Kelvin. You won't understand. It's just not easy for me.
And make me do. I'm not done now. Make me understand. Do you know how bad you make me feel?
I'm really sorry. I am. I truly am. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I can't sleep. I can't do anything on my own. Onike wa mowa, onike la mola, onike wa mowa, onike la mola, onike seun to fe, mo de seun to fe. How else can I love you more? Stop.
Kelvin, stop! Kelvin, stop!
I'm gonna hurt you, baby. Come on.
Oh yeah, me. Yeah. This is what I know. How can I change? How can I love you more? I am so irukile yo, yeah. Nítorí ọmọ mi.
Wait, Kelvin, I'm ready. See, Kelvin.
Ọmọ mi o.
Kelvin. Kelvin. I'm ready. Like, oh yeah, let's do this. Kelvin, please, I beg you. Kelvin, please, I beg you. Please, oh yeah, come on, do. Kelvin, no, I'm ready. You promise I'm ready. Kelvin, I'm ready. I beg you. I'm ready. Kelvin, Kelvin, yeah. Kelvin.
I am it. You have caused me so much pain.
And that's how I got here. Stop the violence. Women, run if he beats you. Please don't keep shots, please. I mean, apart from wasting your own life, if he ends up killing you, think about the negative effects this will have on your children. Please, run. I never want to hear the tale of another Aminat. I never want to listen to another violent song. Please run!
Mama mi ni bolo wa. Ṣebí nítorí ọmọ ni abiyamọ lọ. Ìkànnì yìí o, ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá o, ó dìgbà ó ṣe. Where do I start from? No companion, nobody to rely on. Now I feel rejected and unloved by everyone. I'll be ìkànnì yìí o, ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá o, ó dìgbà ó ṣe. Abiyamọ lọ. Ìkànnì yìí o, ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá o, ó dìgbà ó ṣe.